Hey everyone, it's Karin and Carmen here, and today we're going to make
JiānDuī, which is also known as fried sesame balls. These are very common in dim sum places, and it's especially common during New Year's, Chinese New Year's, or Lunar New Year. Since it's brown and fried, there's like a, what do you say, like it's very resemblant of money? Gold?
Is that what it's supposed to be? So it's basically a glutinous rice ball with some sort of filling inside. Today we're doing sesame, and then on the outside it'll be sesame seeds as well. So let's get started.
So for the dough, we have 3 ingredients. The first is 50 grams of glutinous rice flour. Then we have about a tablespoon of sugar, and then 30 milliliters of water. So we can go ahead and mix that all up. This is actually our first time making it, so we're following a recipe from Cooking with Dog, actually, one of our favorites. So we're just gonna mix this all up until it comes together. So definitely adjust the water accordingly. You can maybe even start like drizzle, starting with like about 15 milliliters, and then drizzle upwards, depending on where you are and how humid it is. It can really heavily affect how much water you need. So even if you think it's too dry, try working at it a little bit. Sometimes it takes the water a little bit of time to work its way through the dough. Just knead it a little bit. So let's come together into a nice dough. So I already have 5 pieces of sesame filling here.
How did you make your filling?
The filling I first put into a bowl about 40 grams of sesame powder, 5 teaspoons of sugar, and about 2 tablespoons of butter, and just mixed it into a paste. And then I portioned out 5 balls of 10 grams each of this sesame paste. So this is about 100 grams of dough. I'm gonna portion into 5, so 20 grams each. Okay, so I have 5 balls each. I'm gonna try to figure out how to do this now. Like I've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes.
Don't say that.
I've never done it before, okay? It's my first time.
This is basically like making a tong though.
I think so. It's like a bigger tongue.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'll portion it. Okay. It's not too bad.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh my god. It fell off my finger. Slowly jiggle. Okay. This is okay.
Yeah, that's great.
I'm actually gonna put it, it's pretty tacky, so I'm gonna actually just put it straight into the sesame. Yeah, I don't even need to dip it in water. So if your dough is a little drier than mine, you might want to try dipping it in water before you put it into the sesame. Okay. Not bad, right?
Mm-hmm. Looks good.
Okay, next one. Struggling.
Oh, it got too thin.
You got too thin.
Should you wet your hands then?
No, I think it's too wet.
Oh, so I should flour my hand. R.I.P. So if your hands are a little wet or you're finding it sticking to your hand, use some flour.
Is that covered? It's okay. Let's turn it around. Or maybe if we put enough.
They'll all push the oil up. So the first 5 minutes is to sort of cook it through at a lower temperature, and then after that you raise the heat so that you give it more of a golden brown. That way you don't burn it, or you don't burn all the sesame seeds on the outside before it's cooked through all the way.
The marble one is starting to like crack in certain areas where the sesame paste was.
Oh no!
Looks like a zombie. Zombie donkey. This one will stay.
Yeah.
I want to cook this side because it looks so pale.
Yeah.
When I turn it that way, it just splits up.
I think we waited too long before flipping it.
It's gonna force it.
Just hold it in place.
It's fighting back. You're definitely getting bigger and puffier and rounder.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, this one
It's
exploded.
been about 5 minutes now.
This one turned cone shape. What the heck?
Oh no! It exploded.
There's no hole yet, but I think there's like
It does
extra air
look
coming
smaller
out.
than the other ones that are more poofy.
Now I understand why people say that JiānDuī is hard to make. Like, look at that.
Yeah, they're definitely
come
not
from?
perfect.
Guess it must be harder to make perfect ones. All of them are cone shaped now. They look like little light bulbs.
I think they still look kind of cute though.
They're still cute, yeah.
I'm sure they'll still taste good. And there you have it.
We made JiānDuī!
Yay!
It was kind of difficult.
Yeah. We made 4 pretty decent looking ones and 1 really ugly one.
One zombie one.
But you want to cut into it so we can try it out.
Yeah, it definitely got thinner on the side. Look at that.
Carmen, don't eat it yet. Cut on camera. How's it taste?
It's good. Our skins are definitely thinner, I think, than most, which I don't know if that's a good thing or not. But the outside's still crunchy with all the sesame seeds, and the inside is nice and sweet. Hello? Skylar, Sunday.
Yeah, it's really tasty. I think we did a pretty good job frying it actually. Because the outside is nice and crispy and the sesame is nice and toasted and brown. And the inside is sweet.
And it's still like nice chewy, it's not undercut. Skylar, look. Daddy, 誰嘅JiānDuī啊 ？Skylar 食JiānDuī啊？
你哋整咗面未啊？
整咗啲啊！
Mama,
睇下，
you sure? I have 2 coffee chocolates.
試試啊！
No.
唔知
It's sweet.
Yeah, they're fried and sweet. 點點啊？
And warm.
第一次整。呢個唔做啦。
你直個皮啊！
啊，要好啲。
有冇放糖落去開？
有啊。
Xíu đó, xíu nữa.
Shoe drop. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Happy New Year. Please like and subscribe. We're gonna go spend time with family now. Bye.